Congratulations! You have taken that all-important first step on a journey to a new you through the miracle of human growth hormone, HGH, and testosterone replacement therapy. My name is Anna Sokolov, and I am your private health executive who would like to talk to you about some of our hormone injection programs. BHRT Medical Solutions has access to a network of board-certified medical doctors in every state and county all across America. These physicians are happy to get you started on this exciting journey by performing the necessary blood work and a comprehensive physical exam all in a single convenient appointment. Our medical institute provides medically approved prescription HRT, bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, programs. Our specialty is hormone replacement therapy for adult men and women over the age of 30 who have symptoms of hypogonadism, hypopituitarism, andropause, menopause, or adult-onset human growth hormone deficiency, HGHD. Before we go any further, the questions that you have to ask yourself are these. What can HGH replacement therapy do for me? How will I benefit from this treatment? Here are a few things to consider that will help you make an informed decision. Do you suffer from any of these symptoms? Low energy levels during midday and chronic fatigue. Your healing and recovery abilities are becoming slower and slower, at times almost a snail's pace. Insomnia or other sleep disorders with resultant tiredness during the day. Mood swings, memory problems, and all too often mental fog. Loss of muscle strength and tone, along with diminished recuperative powers after a workout. Joint aches and pains with limited mobility. Constant issues with your weight, losing too much or gaining too much. Loss of interest in sex and low libido, weak erections, or vaginal dryness. Skin that sags and becomes thin and drier or more wrinkle-filled each passing year. And the rest of the plethora of afflictions that come with aging. Stop going through life merely existing or going through the motions. We provide hormone replacement therapy, health and wellness programs only for people who have genuine medical needs. This does not include professional athletes looking for a performance boost or shortcuts, nor do we provide our service to those with purely cosmetic needs. Our programs address quality of life concerns. Our mission is apparent. If a hormone deficiency causes your medical condition, and if you are experiencing any of the symptoms I previously listed, please contact us at your earliest convenience. We can determine if a hormone deficiency causes your symptoms, or if you are suffering from any other type of medical issue. Only after we have determined that your symptoms are a direct result of a hormone deficiency will we swing into action and prescribe you a comprehensive hormone injection program. We have a contact form on our website, which you can access by clicking the link below in the description, and you should fill it out so we can schedule a phone consultation. Whether you are brand new to the hormone replacement therapy process or looking for a superior, high-quality, and experienced clinic to professionally monitor your HRT therapy, you have come to the right place. Our well-trained, experienced staff will treat you as an individual. You will not receive a cookie-cutter, one-size-fits-all approach. We will carefully discuss your treatment options and provide our recommendations. Then and only then will we develop a customized HRT, HGH, sermorelin acetate, HCG, or testosterone therapy program to restore your energy, relieve your pain, and let you start living again. But please do not proceed on your own. Although hormone replacement therapy is safe and non-toxic with few adverse significant side effects, HRT is not always the right choice for everyone. But if you feel it may be good for you, please call us at your earliest convenience. Lowers cholesterol, protects against heart disease, improves mood, improves sexual performance, improves memory, enhances body fat loss, builds lean muscle, increases energy,